Oh, I didn't see y'all here. You know what? To get things started, we're going to show y'all a quick little video about the beginning of stage lighting. Alright, what's up y'all? My name is KJ and we're here to talk about lighting, specifically gas stage lighting. And it all started off in the Chestnut Theater in Pennsylvania. And it's basically where it all started, when they stopped using oil for their lamps and things like that. And then they started using gas, and then it covered the whole stage. So basically, I'm about to show you a short little video that you'll see right here somewhere playing. And it'll give you a more in-depth detail about gas stage lighting.
Our gas lights are the brightest light available. They're also permanent fixtures that you can either hang from the ceiling or mount on your wall, and they also are very low maintenance. Some gas lights may be brighter than others. This is because if you have more than one light on the same gas line, the lights further away from the source will be dimmer. To turn a gas light on, you will want to first light a match and then turn the gas flow on by flipping the switch to on, and then you will want to hold the match to the mantle, but do not touch the mantle, just light it. And then to turn the gas lights off, you will just have to turn the switch to off here.
What's up guys, my name is Daryl. I'm going to be talking to you guys about the difference between lower wattage lamps and higher wattage lamps. The two main kinds are HID lamps, which stand for high intensity discharge, which use compressed gases to make a bright amount of light, and LEDs, which mean light emitting diodes, which use very little energy to create a bright amount of light. Now for HID lamps, the most common are 250, 575, 700, and go lower to 2000. Now LEDs, they can range from 1 watt to 240. Now to compare the differences, a 45, 50, and a 90 watt LED is the same amount of output as a 250 watt discharge. You see what I mean? Lower wattage compared to higher wattages use less amount of energy, though it is a lot more expensive to make LEDs, but it's worthwhile.
Hi, I'm going to talk to you guys today about the Kegel brothers. Now, the Kegel brothers were two people that laid the entire foundation of stage lighting that you know today. Now, they owned one of the largest companies called the Kegel Brothers Company, Universal Electricity. Now, this used to be the largest company at their time in 1896, I believe. Now, one of the biggest things that they did is they installed 96 dimmers in the Metropolitan Opera Building in New York City. Very hard to pronounce, but that's what they did. Now, you ask, why is that such a big deal? Well, honestly, in their time, they were just getting from the candle lights and all that jazz to all this experimentation and stage lighting, and now they're coming to this big operation in this building that was phenomenally huge. So people came in there and they saw a show, and then they had dimmers to add effect to their shows, which was something that many people just really enjoyed. Now, unfortunately, they did not have the biggest run as we would have thought they would have had, because their company went down in the 90s. So I'm actually guessing, after they did this huge thing about the dimmers, they kind of just fell off. But they are known today to have the biggest foundation of all stage lighting.
Alright, so in the beginning, people were using candles as their primary source for lighting until 1780 when a Swiss chemist by the name of Aim Arden came hooked with the oil lamp. So now people were using oil instead of candles for their primary source of lighting, which made it a whole lot easier and a whole lot better for them to see at night and everything like that. Started off in the Chestnut Theater in Pennsylvania for the